Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare cucumber salad. So guys can see the baby cucumber tray I have here. So you can see the baby cucumber I have here, and you guys know the work of cucumber in the body. Cucumber is very nice in the body, especially your tummy. If you have big tummy and you want your tummy to be flat down, always eat cucumber. Don't add any other fruit. You always eat fresh cucumber like this. Can even eat one like this every day. You will see that your tummy will flat down. And again, if you eat food too much and you want your food to be digest, you now eat cucumber. It will digest, to help you to digest your food. And again, if you want your skin to be shiny and they very fresh, eat cucumber. Cucumber is nice. It do many things in the body. So that's why it's good to you to be eating it every time. And when you eat it every time, you see it, because cucumber walks straight to your vein. If you're eating it every day, you see, you walk straight to your vein, and you'll be seeing your skin shining, and your tummy will be going down. If you have pimples and everything, your face can see everything will clear. So cucumber work plenty things in the body. So it's nice, it's very good to be eat. So I'll advise you guys that you'll be eating cucumber. Buy your cucumber, you will eat it morning and night. If you didn't eat it plenty, you can even eat one like this every day. If you didn't eat it morning and night, you can eat it every day, especially in the night when you want to go to bed. You can pick one like this, and it is very cheap in the market. It's not something that is expensive. It's very cheap. Like this tray now is 100 naira. See, it's very cheap. So, and I think it's not too cost that people cannot afford it. It's a cheap something, and it work very fine in the body, and you are eating it every time. You see your skin, your tummy. If you are a woman, even your breast, you walk all over your body, and you see the difference, and you see the work of cucumber. So today I want to use it like salad. I'll slice it, put it in the plate, then I'll be eating it. It's just a simple something. It's not a hard menu. So I'll put the recipe there. You see, it's a very simple something. It's not a hard thing. Just buy your cucumber, wash it very well with salt, then you slice it and put it in the plate. If you don't want to slice it, you can even bite it and be eating it. Don't peel the back. Some don't want to eat it with this back. The skin is very good also. It works like a machine also. This green that you see, this one that you see in the back, it works very fine too. So if you are eating it, I will advise you, eat it with the back. Don't come out the back. Some peel the back come out, but don't peel the back come out. Eat it with the back with the seed. All is fine, all is very nice in the body. So the only thing I will do, I will pick one, now slice it. I will cut it now. I'll slice it in the plate. I'll slice it in the plate. Wow, so guys can see the way I slice it. If you don't want to be eating it whole like this, slice it and sit in your sitting room. Carry your fork and pick some inside like this, then you eat it. Before you know, you don't finish at all, and the thing will work in your skin and your body. And see the way I slice it. I didn't peel the back. I slice it with the back. So this is how I'll eat it all. So it's very good. As I say, it's very good in the body. I want you guys to try it and see. and see the work of cucumber in your body, and you know that it's good in your body. Because it works straight to the vein. As you are eating it, it's going straight to your vein. So that's why it clear all the nyama anything in your blood or your body. Everything will be flush away. Then your skin will become shine, and you love your skin. If you see your skin, you love it. And see, you're picking it and eat. Before you know, you don't finish the bowl of cucumber you slide. So this one nice. Can call it cucumber salad. Or the way I slide it is how salad is. I want to finish it too, because the thing is very, very sweet. And if you want to enjoy it more, you can put it in the fridge and leave it to cool small. Then when you are eating it, you enjoy it more. So that is all for cucumber salad. Please, I want you guys to try it and see. Just buy cucumber. It's cheap, it's not cost. If you hold 100 naira, I can even hold 50 naira and buy the one you eat. It's not a expensive something. It's not expensive, it's cheap, and it's common in the market. If you go supermarket, you see it. If you go normal market, you see it. Anywhere you go, you see it, because it's common. And this is the season. It's full everywhere. You see it anywhere you go, because it's not something that is scarce. Maybe you look for it, you just see it. It's not scarce at all. It's for even my place. If I go home for my domo like this, you see them line it up like this. Very, very cheap. Then you buy and eat. Go to supermarket and look for it. You see it there. Then you buy it. Go home, wash it, slice it like this, put it in your plate. You see what I will talk. You walk in your body, and your body will be free. Your tummy will be free. Your skin will be shine, and you love yourself. If you are eating cucumber every day, morning and night. If you didn't eat it morning and night, you can eat it night only before you go to bed. Eat one. You don't want to eat plate, or you can slice a bowl like this. Sit and eat it to help you to digest the food, and you love yourself. If you go to bed and sleep, in the morning you wake up very sound. You wake up very, in short, your body will sweet you, and the way your body will be, you will love it, and you enjoy yourself. So that is all for cucumber salad. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and comment for it. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.